Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a quick way to bug delete emails on Gmail, helping you clear out your inbox efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Navigate to your inbox where the emails you want to delete are located. Next, hold down the Shift key in the keyboard and click on the first email. While holding the Shift key, click on the last email on the right. With the email selected, click on Delete button. It looks like a trash can icon and is located at the top of your inbox. And there you have it. You have successfully bug deleted emails on Gmail, helping you keep your inbox organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.